Good morning, senior IT students. Today I'm be teaching you guys how to make a disk partition using the command prompt. So for this you're gonna need Windows OS. You can't use any other OS, and if you got another OS, you'll have to look into like a video with that specific OS, like I don't know, Temple OS, Linux, just that type of stuff. But if you got Windows OS, then this video is perfect for you. Alright, so first thing you want to do is go to command prompt. You want to run this at administrator. So there will be a pop-up that's asking you if you want to allow this device to make changes. You can't see it on my screen, that's because it's hidden. But when you type it in and open it like that, you'll see this. Yeah, so you just want to click yes, because it's a built-in the OS, so it doesn't really matter, because it's not gonna do anything with your PC itself. It's just supposed to be here. Alright, so what you're gonna type first is disk part, just to check on all like the disks you got. Alright, I got one disk on my computer. This is my version. The version doesn't really matter currently, because we're not going that deep into it. So I'm gonna type list disk. Alright, here I have one disk. It's called disk 0. So you wanna keep this in mind, that it's disk 0. So you don't wanna get that like run it around in your head. So yeah, disk 0. So now I wanna type in select disk, and then the disk you want to use. So in this case, I'm gonna, you guessed it, use 0. Disk 0 is now selected. That will be standing there. So you want to type create partition 0 size equals, the size is gonna be put into MB, so I'm gonna be using 1 gigabyte, so that equals to 1024 MB. So if you have a specific amount you wanna use, like 25 gigabytes, you're gonna have to search that up how much that is. But just keep in mind 1 gigabyte is 1024 MB. So after you've done that, you just click enter. Now this will show up. Here you got a lot like information about this part. Primary. Here you get a lot of information, a lot of information. So today we're going to be focusing on the command assign, to assign a drive letter. So we're going to type select disk 0 in this case, just the one you want to use. And then after that's selected, you want to double check it again, of course, that's really important. Alright, this is now selected. Disk part, select partition 0. Boom, there's no partition detected. Oh wait, I did it wrong. Select partition 1 in this case. Alright, now this partition is selected. That's really useful, of course. We assign letter, and then you're gonna use a letter. I'm gonna just use the first letter of my name. But you want to keep this in mind, of course. You don't want to forget this letter, because this is, you need it. You really need it. So I will do C. Virtual disk drive error is niet beschikbaar. Oh, I think I know it. Of course, assign letter. Well, these letters are not working for me, so I'm just do E. Alright. Exit. So now we've left the disk part. So you just made your first disk partition. This is going to be useful in your future career in IT, whatever you plan on doing, but you just gotta keep this in mind. You can watch this video as much times as you want, but yeah, let's just keep it real, and thank you for watching, and I would appreciate some tips, but it's not forced to or anything like that.